Alright, listen up everybody. Got a good video, so don't click away. Promise. It's gonna be nice and informative. About to drop some knowledge on you, okay? This is my struggle, alright? I'm gonna tell you about my struggle to find a decent voice over IP gaming, communication platform app. Whatever you want to call it. Okay? I eventually came up upon Discord, and that is what this video is gonna be about, but we're not getting into that yet. I want to tell you everything I tried out and all the things I learned and all that. So here we go, real quick. Skype. That's kind of a scary face. But yeah, Skype. Skype is what you kind of go to if you want to talk to somebody, right? Yes. It does video chat, which gamers don't care about. You can't video chat and play a game effectively. You need voice. And Skype's alright if you don't have anything else running. But it does hog a bit of CPU, and it does hog more bandwidth than it should, which is not good if you have a ping-dependent game, right? It screwed up my ping a few times. Made me lag, Lag is never good in a game. Never good. Always bad. Really screws you up. So after using Skype for a while and learning that it wasn't really all that great for games, I went on a search, right? Went on a journey. Went on a quest for knowledge. And I found Teamspeak. Everyone praised Teamspeak. It was the golden child of voice gaming, whatever. It's not that good. You have to host a server or pay someone to host a server, right? And if you host your own server, you not only have to have it, running and everything, but there's a limited number of people you can have in that server. I think it's like 500 and something, but who's gonna have over 500 people, right? Well, maybe you have a YouTube channel, maybe you have a Twitch channel, maybe you want to hang out with your fans or something. Well, then you'd have to pay for it. And, I don't want to pay for it if I ever come to that. And it's also annoying to have a server running down here, and it's not good. It's not convenient at all. Voice sounds good and everything, but it's just inconvenient. So that led me to Razer Comms. Sorry about that. Razer Comms was good. And it was like the only thing that Razer made that I thought was good. Because Razer's software is usually like low-key Razer stuff is shit. But this was good, right? It didn't what's the word? It didn't integrate with Synapse or anything like that. It's its own application. And it's pretty good. But it just started to not always connect and not always work completely right. And I can't be having that, right? If you want to play a game, you just want to play a game. You don't want to have to troubleshoot some voice application. So then, going back to the TeamSpeak thing, I found Mumble. And I thought, well, with that icon, it can't be very damn good. It is a server client, setup where you have to have both running and all that. So I was like, well, I'll try it. And it surprised me at how good it was. The voice audio is really quite good, and you don't have to pay for it. It's open source. You can have as many people as you want, I think, as long as your internet can support it. It doesn't really mess with your ping as very much, so that's good. But I just got tired of having to run the server and client, independently of each other. I hate that. I hate it so much. So there are other options. There's Ventrilo, but it's old, it's dead, it's like a decaying corpse of a great warrior or something, something like that. Don't use Ventrilo, there are better things. So after all of this stuff, and probably more that I don't even remember, finally came across Discord. And I thought, whoa, this looks cool. How much is it? It's too pretty to be free. But it is. Why is it free? It's very good. I'm not paid, I'm not influenced, this is my opinion, right? Discord is the best voice chat platform, application, whatever you want to call it. It's the best. And it's free. I'm not saying it's the best just because it's free. I'm saying if you have Teamspeak and you're paying for it, Discord is better, regardless of what it costs. So stop paying for Teamspeak or whatever if you are. Discord is better, and let me show you why. One, it's pretty. I mean, I care. Some people don't, but I care how my stuff looks, and it has a really nice user interface. Also, it's secure, so that's good, you know. That's always good. And it has apps. It has a iOS and Android app, and they work pretty good. So, like, if you're on a PlayStation or something and you want to use, if you want to talk to your friends or something, you can just have your phone there and go, you know. Another thing, it doesn't, like, screw with your internet. CPU is also a thing, but I never had CPU problems. It was always, like, messing with my bandwidth, my ping, and all that, so. Yeah, that's the thing. It is really light on your system. Set up this. This is why I chose to use it. The main reason I chose to use it for my YouTube channel. Like, I have a server set up. Let me just show you. Not this one, God. This is my server for my YouTube channel. I have it set up where people can just log in and, you know, like, ask questions or whatever. Anything like that. But it's so simple. It's so simple to just... Literally, you click... Let me just show you real quick here. So in my video descriptions, right, I usually have this at the bottom. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I forget it, but you have this little link right here. And if you just take that, and I'm just gonna... If you just take that, paste it into your browser window, it will take you to my server. It says you've been invited to the welcome channel in Pixel Poison Official, right? That's Pixel Poison's my other YouTube channel. I think I'm gonna upload this on my gaming channel, but it says, what should everyone call you? Well, shoot. Video test. So that's gonna make an official Discord account called Video Test. And if you wanted to it'll take you to my server too. This is my server. But if you want to claim that account, like make it a full account, well, you just click that button and verify an email, and you're done. That's it. And you can add a profile picture. You know. That's it. And if you want to download the desktop app, just download it right there. Then you have your desktop app. It's just so... It's so easy and simple. And another thing, the scale at which it can operate. This is my server. It literally has like 5 or 6 members. This is the Discord API server. If you'll take a look down here, it's 429. 426, there's 37 messages since then, so let me just scroll to the bottom here. This is the server where they discuss, you know, development stuff, whatnot. Discord as a company made this server. But the cool thing is, see, online members, there's 3,697, it fluctuates, members online at the moment. Anyone can operate a server at that level for no cost. It doesn't use your internet. There's a server somewhere that Discord as a company owns or rents, hosting your server. And it's just so good. Why did this not happen sooner? It's just so good. That's what I'm trying to get across. If you haven't used Discord, you just need to use it because it's just so good, right? All I gotta say. Let me show you the app. It pretty much looks the same, but this is my private server for me and my friends, but YouTube server here. If you go to the server settings, you can change stuff, you know. I'm in streaming mode, so it won't show some things, but it'll show most everything. I keep it in streaming mode because I don't want to show like my email or something. I don't really know what all it hides, but I don't want to show everything. In user settings, you have your account, which I showed with the test account, what it'll give you here. Connections, friends, you can adjust all these things. Oh, it has good audio options. Good audio options. Yes. Keybinds, yeah, There's a light mode, but I don't like it. I use the dark mode. Developer mode. There's an in-game overlay, so that's always good if you want it. I usually don't use it. I just have a second monitor. Second monitors are so useful. You never realize till you get one. Overlay. Locale streamer mode, which I have on. If you turn it off, it shows a few more things, but security, streamer mode, change log, done. And aside from servers, you can also have one-on-one conversations with people. I'm not gonna show them because, you know, privacy, but voice channels, you can get in a voice channel. I have it set up where you go to the AFK channel after an hour of doing nothing. So if you like forget to log out, no big deal. You just put in that channel and you can disconnect or whatever. And it mutes you if you go into that, so you don't hear other people who are in there. They can't hear you, which is good, because, you know, if you forget you're there, you never know what you're gonna do. Let's see, I think that's about all I wanted to say. Yeah, that's it. It's a really, really great application, great platform. There's a lot of cool stuff you can do if you're like a Twitch streamer, a YouTuber and stuff. Integrations. It has a lot of integration. Just check out the website. There you go. Features. This is features. Stream kit. Right. It has all this stuff that you can do for streamers, YouTubers, all that. It's great. Great. Well, that's pretty much it. I'll have a link in the description to the website, but you can just type in Discord and Google, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I love you all. See ya.